Hey there, Ro here with Loyalty Roofing Solutions. I want to show you this job we've just finished in North Reading, Mass. Picking up equipment, we're picking up the dumpster. This is our leftover materials. A little porta potty. The materials that we used here was CertainTeed Savannah Wicker MainStreet vinyl siding, and for the detail on the dormers we used Cedar Impressions Savannah Wicker from CertainTeed. This house came out beautiful. They had a wood shake previous, which we kept, and we just installed the 1/2 inch insulation over the existing wood shake. And I just want to show you guys the details. So when you homeowners are looking at siding quotes, if any of the contractors include electrical work, that's the reason why. Now the building departments are requiring a licensed electrician to do all that work, disconnect all that stuff, so we can pass our vinyl siding behind it. And where the cables connect to the house too, that was all removed so we could do our metal wrapping. We replaced the gable vents from wood into a PVC gable vent. All the windows were wrapped in aluminum wrapping. As you can see, no more wood to be dealt with. All perforated siding, all the fascia board was wrapped. You can see same thing out here in the front. Those windows, they weren't wrapped. We wrapped them as well, and we put a bead of silicone between the metal and the brick. Let me see if I can show that up close. Let me see. Yes, we can see it. A bit of silicone. You can't see it from out far, but still watertight, so the water can't get behind it. And then in the middle here, you can see the bead of white silicone. Up top, as you can see, because they wanted to keep that classic look on the dormers, we used the Cedar Impressions, which is made to look like wood shake, and one can actually barely see the difference. This is the front of the house. Beautiful job. Nice little house here in Reading, North Reading actually. I'd like you guys to take a look at the lines of the job. How that dormer lines are lined all perfectly. Angled shot. So you guys can see the lines in the corners. This corner lining up perfectly with that corner. Even the lines of the dormer lining up with the side. All the vents were replaced. Dryer vent. Everything replaced. So when you see the electrical cost for it, is for all these outlets have to be removed by a professional electrician. Anywhere you have a lamp, a light, see that one has to be mounted on a mounting block, has to be removed and reinstalled by a professional electrician. The lines up top, as you folks can see, dormer lining up with the wall. Looks easy, but it's not. All the metal on all these windows, all wrapped in aluminum. This was all wood. All wooden trim, all wrapped in aluminum now. This job was completed in 5 working days with a 2-man crew. This is my very best siding crew. My cousin Daniel from ID Construction that performed all the work. Any questions, folks? You're welcome to send them on my website. My email, contact@loyaltyhomesolutions.com, or you can go to my YouTube video and comment on my videos. I'm here to help. Folks, have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all later.